Hello, everyone. I just wanted to share a great reading resource that our school has an account with. It's called epic.com, and we get a free code that was set up by our primary librarian. So I just wanted to show you how quickly you can do this. If you go to Epic, class code, your child or students, you'll put in this class code, VD 5204, and it should let you in. And then you have access to all these amazing books when you go to guest student. There's no way to change the name. The profile picture will always be this, and the guest will always be guest G. You're going to be able to choose your reading level. So if you're reading level P, you could read books PQR, which could be these books down here, P through S. And then it'll bring up books that are just right for you. Another really cool thing is that the books can be read to you. They have audiobooks, videos, comics. So go in and explore.